I think that is the best justice that we could have hoped for.
That is the godmother of one of the victims speaking today after the sentencing of 3 teenagers for the Ocklawaha triple murders. And that is where we do start here tonight. More than 2 years later, all 3 of the teens arrested for those murders have now been sentenced. We've been inside the courtroom the past 2 days. 15-year-old Christopher Atkins, you see here, received a 40-year sentence, while 16-year-old Tahj Brewton and 17-year-old Robert Robinson will spend life in prison. The victims in this case, Michael Hodo Jr., Layla Silvernail, and Camille Quarles. You see their pictures there. Their bodies were found in 2023. Atkins, Brewton, and Robinson all entered open pleas earlier this year. And as of today, well, that case wrapped up, and we spoke with State Attorney Bill Gladson about the sentencing of the suspects we'll have now moving forward.
Because to the victim, it doesn't matter that you were under 18 at the time you committed a crime. They still suffered from what you did.
Yes, all 3 of them were teenagers here, even younger than that. And also, some family members of the victims feel like justice is now served, even though they are still grieving. TV20's Kayla Lewis shares new details released in court on what led those 3 teens to turn on their friends.
But justice was served today, and we're happy about that.
Christina Stewart, godmother of victim Camille Quarles, is pleased with the life sentence handed down to both Robert Robinson and Tahj Brewton.
He will also serve life in prison.
Brewton was first to be sentenced by Judge Robert Hodges and is the only defendant who did not provide a statement to the court. However, his family members spoke on his behalf, including his aunt, who addressed the victims' families.
Very sorry to the families. My condolences. I'm very sorry. Because Lord knows I didn't teach him that.
She says hearing everything he's done, such as armed robbery, was surprising and heartbreaking.
I know y'all lost, but we losing too. We losing. Everybody losing something.
The last to be sentenced was Robinson. During this, we learned why they killed Layla Silvernail, Camille Quarles, and Michael Hodo Jr.
This was something they knew they were going to do.
All over a gun Hodo Jr. owned, which Robinson says was wanted by Brewton.
They were good kids. They got caught up in the wrong situation with the wrong people, and just, you can't take that back.
Robinson's lawyer read a statement from him, but at the end, Robinson offered up a few words, sorry for what he did.
I apologize to my mama and my loved ones for the actions I have committed. I'd like to apologize to the victim family for the hurt I brought upon them. I made bad choices. It ain't no excuses for my choices. I'm not gonna make excuses for it or blame anybody but myself. I just want to apologize.
Robinson, Brewton, and Christopher Atkins are eligible for a review after serving 25 years, and with their time already served accounted for, the soonest this can be is 2048. In Ocala, Kayla Lewis, TV20 News.
We do have full details on this story, including our previous reports leading up to today and even yesterday. You can look for those on our website right now, WCJB.com.